Good morning, students. Class 8, comparing quantities. Before that, we have to understand what is ratio. We can find ratio only and only one condition if we have two digits in which same unit paisa and this is rupees each. You have to convert both of in same unit. Convert this paisa or convert this rupees. But before find ratio, you have to convert same unit. Before that, we take a question. Speed of a cycle. We have a question. Find ratio of the following. And question is speed of cycle is 15 km per hour. To the speed of scooter 30 km per hour. Speed of cycle ratio speed of scooter. Speed of cycle we have 15 km and speed of scooter we have 30 km. And in ratio with the same table it's cut 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30. So answer is 1:2 means speed of cycle. If the speed of cycle 1 km, then speed of scooter 2 km. Every 1 km scooter goes 2 km. So answer is speed of cycle ratio speed of scooter is 1:2. In second question, we cannot find exact ratio. Before that, if you convert both digits unit same means it is in paisa, but it is in rupees. You have to convert this rupees into paisa. Before that, we have to discuss 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. So 5 rupees is equal to, yes, 5 multiply 100 paisa. 5 rupees 50 paisa. 5 rupees 500 paisa. Now we can find the exact ratio of these two sums. 50 1 ja 50, 50 1 ja 50 and 1 0. So exact ratio is 1:10. Now we take few more questions. Now convert the following ratio into percentage. Procedure is 3 ratio means 3/4. If you want any fraction convert in percentage, you have to multiply 100. 35 cut out. After that, result is 25 3 70. So 75 is percent. So this symbol is necessary, 75%. In second question, fraction is 2.3, multiply 100. If you want to convert any fraction in percentage, you have to multiply with 100. 100 to 200 divided by 3. Divide करेंगे हम. So result is 66 to 3 and symbol is necessary. Put this symbol 66 to 3%. This is the result of 2:2. So question is convert the following ratio into percentage. 3:4 result is 75%. 2:3 result is 66 to 3%. Now we take few more questions. Next question is a man got a 10% increase in his salary. If his new salary is rupees 1,54,000, find his original salary. Before that, few of the concepts we consider. Let's his salary. Let's his salary 100x. Let's 100x. After increment, his salary 10% increase. 100 is original. After 10% increase, new salary is 110x. And new salary is 1,54,000. So this 110x is equal to 1,54,000. So we compare both these quantities, then the value of x 110 divide and we multiply it by 100 because all the figures are in percentage. We have to remove the percentage, we have to multiply 100. So cut 10 to 10 and 11, 14 yeah, 154 and this when find value of x is equal to 1,40,000. So his original salary is 1,40,000. Okay, best of luck.